Hello guys, this is Zoe. Welcome to Wuhan Jimmy Laser Technology. The case shared this time is the laser hermetic welding of a micro-valve component. Is this one? The shear material is the Kovar alloy, and the welding is required to be defect-free, and the airtightness level is reached at 1 × 10 to be -9 pound cubic meters per second. So next, let's take a look at how this test is complete. Okay, this time the single-station Glovebox laser welding machine can be used for the welding, and the argon gas can be injected into the case and used as the protective gas to avoid the welding defects and ensure that the airtightness level can meet the customer's requirements. Okay, the test is finished. Let's check the welding effect. Under the microscope, you can see that the welding seam is flat, smooth, without any cracks. So this is a very good job. It's a well done test. Okay, you guys can check it. Okay guys, now the test is finished. If you guys are interested in this video, or if you have same problem about the welding issue, so please leave your message below or kindly click the like button here. So thank you. See you next time.